So baud rate, we're talking about the number of electrical state changes that can happen every second. Now, the thing you've really got to understand is how that differs from a bit rate and how they compare as well. So like the relationship between them. If we had a network that was set up to have or use one baud, that would mean that there would be one state change per second, or at least one potential state change per second. That doesn't mean that the voltage would have to change, but it has the potential to do so. So if you think about a signal being sent over maybe that copper wire, that data is going to be turned into different voltages, okay? And we'd allow one state change of that voltage per second if it was one baud, okay? Now, to look at the difference between the two, they are commonly confused but are very closely linked, and they can be the same value. So our bit rate and our baud rate could be the same. However, if we look at these two examples, we can see how we could have different bit rates and different baud rates. Okay, anyway, the one on the left-hand side is where we have the same. So we have a bit rate and baud rate are the same. So we've got a bit rate of 2 bits being sent per second. So we've got a 1 and a 0 in here, for instance. And we have a baud rate of 2 as well. So we have 2 potential state changes per second. If we look at the right-hand one, however, here, in the same amount of time, I'm sending 4 bits. I'm sending 0, 0, and 0, 1. So I'm getting a bit rate of 4 bits per second. However, here, I've got a baud rate of 2. Now, the way I've achieved that is I have encoded more bits into each voltage. So here I've got more potential options. So we've got sort of quarters, if you like. Whereas here, we've either got it on or off. So the bit rate can be the same as the baud rate, or it can be higher than the baud rate. However, the bit rate can never be lower than baud rate.